Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher of grade 6. Students, open your books, page number 5. Today our topic is difference between animal and plant cells. What are cells? Cells are actually the basic unit of life. Our life starts from a single cell. So in this topic we will study about the difference between animal cells and plant cell. First difference, animal cell, there is no cell wall. Plant cell, the outer layer is called the cell wall. Look at this diagram. There is no cell wall. There is no outer layer of animal cell. And in plant cell there is outer layer which is known as cell wall. In animal cell there is no cell wall, there is no outer layer. In plant cell there is outer layer known as cell wall. The cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell. The cell membrane is inside the cell wall. Next difference is, in animal cell, the outermost layer is known as cell membrane. The outermost layer is known as cell membrane. But in plant cell, the second layer is known as cell membrane. In animal cell, the outermost layer is known as cell membrane. And in plant cell, the second layer is known as cell membrane. The nucleus is in the center. The nucleus is usually on one side. Third difference is, in animal cell, the nucleus is present in center. But in plant cell, the nucleus is usually on one side. The vacuoles are small. The vacuoles are bigger. In animal cells, the vacuoles are small, but in plant cell, the vacuoles are bigger. No chloroplast present. Chloroplasts are present. In animal cell, there is no chloroplast, but in plant cell, there is chloroplast in which photosynthesis takes place. Photosynthesis is process in which plants can prepare their own food. These are 5 main differences. First one, in animal cell there is no cell wall, but in plant cell the outer layer is called cell wall. In animal cell the cell membrane is the outermost layer, but in plant cell the cell membrane is inside the cell wall. In animal cell, the nucleus is in the center. In plant cell, the nucleus is usually on one side. In animal cell, the vacuoles are small. In plant cell, the vacuoles are bigger. In animal cell, no chloroplast present. In plant cell, chloroplasts are present. These are diagrams of plant cell and animal cell. Amazing fact. We carry around 3 to 5 pounds of bacteria in our body. Still, these bacteria only make up 3% of our entire body mass. This is because bacteria are much smaller than our cells. It's fact that we carry 3 to 5 pounds of bacteria in our body, and these bacteria only make up 3% of our body mass, body weight. This is because bacteria are much smaller than our cells. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.